Galaxy A71 5G. The customer, he said, by accident he dropped the phone when it was in the charge, and now the phone is not charging. Yeah, it's taking 0 amp and the amp meter. It's number 6. Yeah, 0 amp. The customer asked to replace the charger port, so I asked him how you know is the charger port. He said when he wiggled the charger, he find like a spot where the charger is bent, the phone starts charging. So he took it to the couple shops, and nobody has the charger port board in the stock. So the charger port board is something like this ones, and he is that kind of the customer that want the phone today and is gonna be traveling later. So I just carried the charger port like this ones. Yeah, I was working in my car yesterday, the passenger side was leaking water, so I was working on it all day, and I find where is the leak, and they seal it with the silicone rubber, and it's stuck in my finger. I clean it good, but still it's gonna take a couple of days. Anyway, let's I want to make a video about that, but it's gonna be very long, so let's do this just the charger port. So I already removed the screws. Let's disconnect the battery, and that's the board. For the A71 5G, there is two kinds of the board. One, the charging board, one with the flex cable and one without. So yeah, let's remove the charger port and replace it. Alright, let's remove that this silicone coating here. So there is the microphone here. That's why we don't need to put a lot of heat. For like 350. Alright, so yeah, we removed the charger ports. We cleaned the low melt. Yep, it's a good soldering. But let's test it. So let's plug it. Yeah, I see number 6. We're taking 2 amp. Yes, charging. And we have the charging symbol. It works. The Samsung A series, they use this charger port. For that, I'm not worried if I don't have the charging port, because I have the charger port. So this is all for this video, and see you again.